Hey guys, welcome back to the Franny channel. So today I have a review on the Naked palette. Now this is the OG Naked palette by Urban Decay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I don't own, actually I do. I own one Urban Decay, or two Urban Decay palettes. One was a Vice 4 palette and the other one's by Gwen Stefani, which I had to have. But this is new for me. I've never had one of the Naked palettes before, so having this OG palette and knowing that it's going to be out of stock and discontinued pretty soon, I had to jump on the wagon and get it. So this palette normally is $54, and right now Ulta and I think Sephora also have like a sale on it for $27. So if you guys have the chance and want to get it, go ahead and get it before this is discontinued. Now really quick, what I want to let you guys know what I have on my face, since I already have my makeup on. I am trying out this new foundation. It's Bronx Colors. And I've never heard of this. This is something I picked up at Ulta because it was on sale, but it's $6.47, and I'm trying that out to see how it wears. The other things that I have on my face, well, I have Rimmel Stay Matte Transparent or Translucent Powder. That's on my face. For my bronzer, I have the Tarte Princess bronzer, and this is the one that comes with the bronzer and the blush and the highlighter. So I have the bronzer on and I have the blush on. So that one's going to be just the bronzer and the highlighter. It doesn't say what kind of blush is in there, but I'll go ahead and put the descriptions right here on the box, or down there in the box. The other thing that I have is this IBY highlighter. It came in my Ipsy bag. So this highlighter is $12 and it's by IBY Beauty, and you can get that on their website. This is just a little sample size. I'll go ahead and link their website there so you guys can go. I'll go ahead and link that website there so you guys. I'll go ahead and link the website there so you guys can go ahead and take a look and see if you guys want to get this. But that's all I have on my face. Now for my eyebrows, I do have my combination of Ulta Beauty and ColourPop pencils. Now let's go ahead and jump and play with this palette, shall we? So what I want to do is I want to get a transition color just so I can put all that on. Just so I can put that transition color all over my lid. And I'm going to grab, it does come with a little brush. So I'm going to grab the brush on this side and I'm going to go into the color, let's see, Virgin. So I'm going to go into that color. Alright, so the lid color is on, and now we want to go ahead and add some color into our crease. And for that, I am going to go into, let's go into Naked and see how that works. Right, now that we have those colors, we're going to go into a little deeper color. For that, I'm going to grab this little Anastasia brush and I'm going to go into the next deep shade, which is Buck. Alright, and it's going to go a little lower than what I just did. that same Anastasia brush, but on the pointier side, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that buck color again. I'm gonna put it on my underline. There we go. Now I want to go ahead and smoke it out a little bit more, but since the rest of the colors have like a little shimmery thing to them, I'm gonna grab Creep, and I'm gonna grab that on this flat brush, and that's gonna go on my underline as well. Just extra careful because this one I see has a shimmer. Now with that same brush, I'm going to go into gunmetal, and that's going to go on top of what I just placed. Okay, there we go. All right, so now let's go ahead and let's grab Dark Horse, and I'm gonna grab that on this Urban Decay little brush, and that's gonna go on my outer corner right here. That intensified it a little bit. Now with the let's see, with the flat part of this brush, I'm going to go into the Toasted, and that's going to go from the outer corner a little bit towards the center. Alright, now that that is on, I'm going to go with a different color, and that's going to be with, let's do Sidecar, and that I'm going to grab that with the other side of this brush and pat it on my inner corner towards the Toasted color that I added. There we go. Now I want to do something for my inner corner, and I'm going to grab this little flat brush and go into the Sin color right there. And a little bit of Sin on my brow bone, also with this little brush. So the same color we used in our inner corner, we're gonna go up here. Let's add a little bit of let's add a little bit of smog right here on the underline, but let's do it from where my inner corner starts to halfway. There we go, that looks better. All right, so let's go ahead and get something for our wing. So I'm gonna be bold and add a wing. And wish me luck. Okay, there we go. The liner was a little dry. So now I want to go ahead and do my waterline, and I want to go into this sugar eyeliner, and it's in, ooh, let's see, what color? Purple Rain. Right? Once you poke yourself in the eye, go ahead and mascara time. For mascara, we're gonna do the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and just take off any powders that we might have. Okay, let's go with lips. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Lolita. Alright, and this, my friends, is the completed look. I did something really subtle. I really liked it. I amped it with the liner, which I enjoyed. The only thing is that I need to get a new liner because this one was just a travel size and it's dry, which gave me a little bit of trouble, but I did it. There we go. So what do I think about this palette? I enjoyed it very much. I like the colors on it. It has cool colors. So if you're into cool colors, you would really enjoy this. I love that this has a velvet little touch to it. I will be using this palette again. I mean, I can use it for a lot of looks. I can also use it as to like complete or complement another palette that might not have like colors that I have here. I can use them with other palettes, but I really liked it. If you're a person that likes cool tone colors, this is going to be your palette. I don't have a lot of cool tone palettes, so this one's really good. What else can I say, guys? Urban Decay, Urban Decay, yes. Naked palette, yes. If you guys have the opportunity to get this palette before it discontinues, which I'm really, really sad, go ahead and get it. I mean, I just got mine like 2 weeks ago in Ulta and they still have it on the website, so go ahead and run and get it. But that is my look for today, and if you guys enjoyed it, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. I will link down all the products that I used, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.